Hello everyone and welcome to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Summer and today we're diving into a complex and often emotionally charged topic. How does death affect an unresolved equitable distribution claim in the state of Texas? This subject can be quite intricate and it's essential to understand the nuances to protect your rights and interests. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more insights into family law matters. Let's start with a brief overview of what equitable distribution means in Texas. In our state, we follow the community property system, which means that most assets and debts acquired during the marriage are considered community property and are divided equally in the event of a divorce. However, there are instances where property can be divided equitably, but not necessarily equally, depending on various factors like the length of the marriage, the earning capacities of the spouses, and each party's contributions to the marital estate. Now, let's address the critical question. What happens if one party dies while an equitable distribution claim is still unresolved? In Texas, if a spouse dies during the divorce proceedings, it generally abates the divorce action. This means the divorce process stops and the marriage is considered intact until the date of death. Consequently, the community property laws still apply and the surviving spouse is entitled to a share of the community property. However, the specific outcome can depend on whether the deceased had a valid will and how the estate is structured. To illustrate this, let's consider a real-life scenario. Imagine a couple, John and Mary, who have been married for 25 years. They're in the midst of a contentious divorce with substantial community property at stake, including a family home, retirement accounts, and a business they built together. Unfortunately, John passes away suddenly before the divorce is finalized. In this case, the divorce proceedings would halt and the marital estate would need to be settled through probate. If John had a will, his share of the community property would be distributed according to his wishes, subject to Texas probate laws. If he did not have a will, Texas intestacy laws would determine the distribution, typically favoring the surviving spouse and children. Mary would now face the probate court, where she could assert her rights to the community property. Given the length of their marriage and her contributions to the business, Mary would likely receive a significant portion of the estate. However, any separate property John owned, which was acquired before the marriage or inherited, would be distributed according to his will or intestacy laws, which might complicate the situation further. There are several important legal considerations in such cases. The unresolved equitable distribution claim would now be a matter for the probate court. This process can be lengthy and complex, requiring a thorough understanding of both probate and family law. The surviving spouse's rights can be quite different under probate law compared to divorce law. It's crucial to understand these differences and how they might affect your case. Community versus separate property. Determining what constitutes community and separate property is critical. This distinction will influence how the estate is divided and what the surviving spouse is entitled to. In conclusion, the death of a spouse during an unresolved equitable distribution claim can significantly complicate matters. Understanding the interplay between divorce and probate laws in Texas is essential to navigate this challenging situation effectively. If you find yourself in such a scenario, seeking professional legal advice is crucial to safeguarding your interest and ensuring a fair outcome. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into Texas family law. Stay informed, stay protected, and take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.